Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm just gonna share you guys what I'm gonna go through tomorrow. Actually, yeah, it's gonna be tomorrow. I have been thinking of filming this maybe like a week or two, or I don't know, like, you know, like maybe, yeah, like maybe at least a week before something is gonna happen. But I just want to tell you guys, and I just want to be honest with you of what I'm gonna go through tomorrow. I am going to have my tummy tuck. Yes, I am getting a tummy tuck, and I am, you know, like, I'm skinny. I know you guys have seen me walking for a runway, doing some modeling, and, you know, like doing all this YouTube vlogging and Instagram, you know, but there's just something in me or about me that you guys haven't really seen. I'm sorry about my mess over there, and that's the towel, you know, the dipper to wash. But anyways, yeah, there's something about me that I need to change, because like no matter what I do, it's just there. My stomach is just ugly. I tried, you know, everything. I was at 160 pounds, and you know, I lost like most of that weight. I am at 113 pounds. I had 3 babies, and all of them, I just grew so big, up to 162 actually. And I was really tiny. I was very tiny person. My body is just like skinny. My chest area is 32 inches, and my waist, when I was in, like before pregnancy, it was 22, and then I have 35 hip. And my weight was around 98. That's when I get bigger. That's, you know, like the hugest I got when I was, you know, like before pregnancy. I was like 85 pounds, 95 pounds, like that. So when I had my babies, I just blew, and my stomach was like just huge. I had 7-pounder babies. The first one was 7.11, Andre, which is Andre, and Bea was 7.9 pounds, and Noah was the biggest. He was 7.14, almost 8 pounds. My babies are big, so I stretch out so bad, and my my stomach muscle went like just separated, because, you know, like I had big babies and I was really tiny. Like I said, I was like 88, 95 pounds before, when I was, you know, like before pregnancy. So yeah, I just want you guys to see what I have right now. So this is how my stomach look like. I know I have been walking for runways and all that. I tried to work out so bad, and you know, like I did everything. I did crunches and all that. I did dieting. I am already vegetarian, like, well, pescatarian, because I still eat fish still. And this is how I look like on my stomach, and I really wanted this gone, because this is like loose skin. No matter how skinny I get, they're gonna be like this. This is gonna be like this. It's like loose skin, because like I told you, I you know, like I expanded up to 160 pounds, and yes, this is a lot. And I'll show you guys how it looks like over here. I don't really care about my stretch marks. It's just this skin, the loose skin that I have here. So it's gonna be a little tummy tuck, hopefully. But yes, I do have diastasis recti. That's why no matter how much I work out or work my belly out or my abs out, it's still gonna be like this, like pouch. And yeah, it's like separated. Diastasis recti is when the muscle over here opens up and won't heal, and it's just open like this, so there's no control over here. So what the doctor is gonna do, or the plastic surgeon is gonna do, is cut me out and then lift this, and then, you know, like suture or mend the muscle that I have over here, and it's gonna be really flat. So yeah, hopefully I'm gonna be doing good tomorrow. I don't know. And another thing that I'm gonna be doing tomorrow is I'm gonna have my breast implant changed. Yes, I have breast implant. I was like super flat when I was younger. Yeah, I was just very like flat over here. I didn't have boobs, so I went and got my boob done while I was in the Philippines. My husband paid for it, of course, and they put 290 cc on this chest that I have right now. It's very tiny. It's very what do you call that, very decent size for my size. But now I need to change the implant because it's been there for 12 years, and that was back in 2006 when I had my breast implant. And you know, like the technology right now is a lot different from back before, so I think it would just be safer for me, you know, if I would get it taken out and exchange for another implants, because I do not want to have like breasticles, you know. Like I really don't care about breasts, you know, like my boobs now. I don't care if I have this tiny, I have this on, but what I care about is my safety, and I do not want this to, you know, like pop or just killing me softly or gently, you know. So I am going to get that done. It's gonna be a mommy makeover, that's what they call it. And I am going to Dr. Olson, and he's in Gilbert. He's a plastic surgeon, and yes, he is board certified. So I've been thinking about this, changing, you know, like my breast implant two years ago. But now I just, you know, like, why not do the tummy tuck too? Because I am not really happy about my skin over there. Maybe it's gonna be tightened. I don't care about the what is this, the scars, the scarring, as long as it's not gonna be seen, because my hips are so big, and you know, I kind of wear my pants really low down my hips because my butt is so big. Like for me, okay, for me it's big. So yeah, if I will get pants that is the size of my waist, it's not gonna fit my hip. I have big hip. But anyways, yeah, so that's it, I guess. I just wanted to let you guys know about that, because I do not want you to be looking out for me just in case I'm not gonna be able to vlog or do makeup next week, or you know, I don't know. And just so you guys are not gonna be surprised too that, you know, I look different later on my pictures and stuff. So at least I'm being honest with you guys. So I know there are people that are gonna be, you know, like bashing me about this. Well, you know what, this is my body, and I'm gonna do what is gonna make me happy, and I hope you guys do what is gonna make you happy too. That's it. This is my personal, you know, personal opinion. This is my personal choice, and this is my personal happiness. I'm just gonna do what makes me happy, as long as I'm not hurting other people and I'm not stepping on other people. That's, you know, that's what I live for, and I am still gonna be, I will still continue to be a blessing to other people. That's, you know, that's what I'm after, that's what I think, and that's what's in my heart. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll try to vlog tomorrow again on the surgery day, and then, you know, like post-op and all that. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys soon.